What's going on, everyone? It's Alex here from Aleks Physio. So today we're going to be talking about normative values for the lower body in addition to our lower back. It's important to know normative values for range of motion of our lower body because it gives us a framework for what range of motion we should strive for. Obviously, these ranges of motion decrease as we get older, but it's important that we try to preserve it to allow us to perform our activities of daily living and participate in life without having to worry about joint restrictions. And there's a lot of exercise that you can do, a lot of stretches, mobility, strengthening work to build up the range of motion, but here we're just going to go over the numbers. So let's start with the low back. So low back flexion, or reaching towards the floor, we have 60 degrees. Low back extension, arching our back, we have 25 degrees. Low back side flexion, or reaching down the outside of our legs, we have 25 degrees. And low back and primarily mid back rotation, we have 35 degrees. Let's go to the hip flexion, we have 120 degrees. Hip extension, we have 20 degrees. Hip abduction, or bringing our leg out to the side, we have 45 degrees. And hip adduction, or crossing past an imaginary midline, we have 20 degrees. Okay, hip external rotation, or crossing our legs, we have 45 degrees. And hip internal rotation, we have 45 degrees. Obviously, I'm limited with this one. Okay, let's move to our knee. So knee flexion, or bringing our heels towards our bum, we have 135 degrees. And knee extension, or straightening our leg, we have 0 degrees. Let's go to our ankles. So ankle plantar flexion, or pointing our toes down, or our ankle down, we have 50 degrees. Ankle dorsiflexion, or pointing our ankle towards us, we have 20 degrees. Ankle inversion, or rolling our ankle inwards, we have 35 degrees. And ankle eversion, rotating our ankle outwards, we have 25 degrees. Toe extension, we have 70 degrees. And toe flexion, or curling our toes, we have 45 degrees. So that's that. Those are the ranges of motion for our lower extremity in addition to our low back. Hopefully you found this information valuable and you learned a thing about normative values. If you found this information informative, please share it with somebody, or leave a like or subscribe to my channel. It really helps my channel grow. Until next time, we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.